Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If the bright light from Instagram hurts your eyes, dark mode is the perfect solution. Dark mode reduces eye strain and makes scrolling more comfortable. Let me show you how to turn it on step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. From here, tap on Dark Mode. Now select on to enable it. Instagram will instantly switch to dark mode. The screen will look darker and softer on your eyes. Dark mode is especially helpful at night or during long scrolling sessions and save battery on some phones with OLED displays. You can turn dark mode off anytime by following the same steps again. Now you know how to enable dark mode on Instagram easily. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Instagram tips and fixes.